a comprehensive guide to the complex world of real estate investment. The intricate landscape of home ownership. As a seasoned multimillionaire who consciously opts out of traditional property ownership, I'm here to dismantle the pervasive myths surrounding buying a house. Join me in uncovering the nuanced facets of this widely romanticized concept and understand the true cost of turning the key to your dream home. But first, this is Ash Cash Hash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Part 1. The Dream You've Been Sold. Exploring the American Dream. The American Dream, deeply ingrained in the collective psyche, conjures an idyllic image of success. A single-family home, a white picket fence, 2.5 kids, and a faithful dog. However, understanding the origins of this dream and why it has become synonymous with success requires delving into decades of meticulous marketing efforts. Notably, some sources, such as the National Association of Realtors, have played a role in shaping and promoting this vision. By dissecting the evolution of the American dream, we gain insights into why it may not be the universally attainable pinnacle of achievement as it's often portrayed. The concept of the American dream has been crafted and perpetuated through a careful marketing campaign that has evolved over the years. It reflects a narrative deeply woven into the cultural fabric, promising prosperity, stability, and personal fulfillment through home ownership. The National Association of Realtors, among other influencers, has contributed to shaping this dream, framing home ownership as a symbol of success. However, the dream's attainability has been subject to scrutiny, with shifting economic landscapes and evolving societal norms challenging its universality. The evolution of the American dream highlights the need for a nuanced perspective, recognizing that success is subjective and should encompass a variety of aspirations beyond a singular, home ownership-centric narrative. Part 2. The myths about owning a home. Navigating common misconceptions. To dispel the mystic surrounding home ownership, let's confront some prevalent myths. Myth number 1. Myth number 1 suggests that real estate prices always ascend, a notion debunked by the stark reality of the 2008 recession. The housing market is not immune to fluctuations, and the assumption of perpetual growth can lead to financial pitfalls. Myth number 2 propounds that a house value doubles every 10 years, a claim that crumbles when you consider phantom costs, those sneaky, often forgotten expenses such as maintenance, repairs, and property taxes that can significantly impact the overall cost of ownership. Myth number 3 asserts that leveraging can only boost your financial standing. But beware, as it works both ways. While leveraging through a mortgage can amplify potential returns, it also magnifies risks. Economic downturns or fluctuations in the housing market can result in significant financial setbacks for leveraged home owners. Finally, myth number 4 extols the virtues of deducting mortgage interest from taxes, an idea that may not be as financially rewarding as it seems. The tax benefits associated with mortgage interest deductions may vary depending on individual circumstances, and the overall financial impact should be carefully considered. Confronting these myths serves as a reality check for prospective home owners, emphasizing the importance of informed decision-making, acknowledging the complexities and potential risks associated with home ownership allows individuals to approach the significant financial undertaking with a more nuanced and realistic perspective. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the subscribe squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Part 3. Always run the numbers, demystifying the financial equation. If you've ever encountered the notion that renting is akin to throwing money away, it's high time we reassess that perspective, especially in high-cost cities like New York, LA, or San Francisco. Owning a house may not be the sound financial decision it's often hailed to be in these locations. Running the numbers becomes paramount, accounting for property taxes, maintenance, repairs, and even seemingly trivial costs like the gas spent driving to Home Depot. Beyond these financial considerations, it's essential to delve into the essence of buying a house, viewing it as a purchase first and an investment second. In high-cost cities, the economics of home ownership can be significantly different than in other areas. The costs associated with owning a home extend well beyond the mortgage, encompassing property taxes, maintenance, and repairs that can accumulate over time. Running a detailed financial analysis becomes crucial to understand whether the investment aligns with one's overall financial goals. Moreover, considering the transient nature of certain careers and lifestyles, renting can offer flexibility that owning a house might not. Looking beyond the financial aspect, the essence of buying a house as a purchase first and an investment second challenges the conventional wisdom that home ownership is always a lucrative investment. While it can provide a sense of stability and a place to call home, treating it primarily as a purchase underscores the importance of assessing personal needs, lifestyle, and long-term plans. This perspective encourages individuals to make housing decisions based on a holistic understanding of their circumstances rather than adhering to one-size-fits-all notions about the inherent value of home ownership. Part 4. Is buying a house ever a good idea? Navigating the decision-making maze. Now, the million-dollar question, is buying a house ever a good idea? The answer is nuanced, contingent on 5 crucial questions. Number 1. Will I live here for 10 plus years? Number 2. Will my total monthly housing cost be less than 28% of my gross income? Number 3. Have I saved 20% for a down payment? Number 4, am I comfortable if the value of my house fluctuates? Number 5, am I genuinely excited about buying? Honest answers to these questions pave the way for a well-informed decision. Empowering your financial journey. As we draw this comprehensive exploration to a close, remember that the decision to buy a house is inherently individual. It requires meticulous consideration, a thorough examination of the financial landscape, and an acknowledgement that home ownership might not be the guaranteed path to wealth that it's often made out to be. Empower yourself to make decisions aligned with your rich life and resist societal pressures. If the insights shared resonate with you, consider subscribing for more in-depth financial perspectives. Now, armed with knowledge, go forth and craft your unique path to financial prosperity. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.